completely shocking and unacceptable events that have been happening at the Election Commission office in West Bengal. Since yesterday, the Trinamool Congress has caught red-handed. Our National General Secretary has caught red-handed BJP workers going directly to the CEO office with bulk Form 6s. That is, bulk forms for the inclusion of new voters in thousands. We saw piles and piles of Form 6s, thousands lying inside the CEO office that they're no doubt planning to use the ERO auto login and put in via the back end. These are not even electors who are from West Bengal, they're from outside the state. This is completely illegal. When he's asked, the CEO says, oh, what can I do? People are coming to anyone can come to the CEO office. No, you're wrong and you know it. Anyone cannot come to the CEO office. There is no provision in law for bulk submission by party workers to any CEO office. What is the rule? A Form 6 may be filled till the last day of nomination. The elector can fill the form online, or a BLA2, a booth level agent of any political party, can fill up to 50 forms and submit via a BLO. That's the maximum, 50 forms. There is no provision of any elector or any political party going directly with bulk submission in thousands to the CEO office. And if you're under appeal, yesterday we saw a letter from a BJP worker, some Kundan Singh. He's saying if you're under appeal, please accept it. The Supreme Court has said very clearly, if you're under appeal and you're under adjudication, the appeal has to go to a tribunal headed by a judge. That elector, that who is under adjudication, cannot come back via a new Form 6. They already have an EPIC number. They will file a claim to the tribunal via that EPIC number. They cannot file a Form 6. You have done this. BJP and ECI has done this in Maharashtra, where 40 lakh new voters were added in 5 months. You've done it in Haryana. You have done it in Delhi. You think you're going to steal the Bengal election like this? No, sir. We are sitting on dharna outside the office of the Election Commission in Bengal, and we are knowing exactly what mischief you're up to inside. We will not let you get away with this. Please be aware.